Thank you for watching, and in this video we are going to cover the intersect tool. So intersect is a great tool for using for the surfaces are plane and to slice a solid body. As right now you can see there is a solid body in our front of the screen and we already use a surface in it. So let's go, and if you don't see a surface option into your tab bar, so you can go into the tab section and you can right click and go into the tabs, and then you need to turn on the surfaces. Okay, so in this way you can see there is an option for surfaces, and then there are multiple options by using surface whatever you can do. So the thing is, right now I already have a surface here which is going through the solid body. So if you don't know how to create it, we can delete it and let's create it again. I'm gonna delete this. Yes. Okay, so as you can see I have a plane, and on this side of the body I just draw a spline, a single spline, and then what I can do is I can just go into the surfaces, as you already have surfaces in your tab, and then in extruded surface, as you can see, and then we need to select this line. And then what we can do is we can extrude this surface into this direction or into another direction. We can just hold this arrow and then we can extrude it to another direction, and then you just need to click the green check mark. So in this way, look, you have a surface which is going through the solid body. Okay, so I want to change the color for this. So right now this surface is already selected, so I'm gonna go into the appearance, and then I can just select whatever the color I want. Suppose I want to have a red color, so I'm gonna click the green check mark. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you. So before going to intersection, I would like to show you one thing. Like as you can see in the feature manager, into the solid bodies, we have only one solid body here, and we have only one surface here. As you can see, we have one surface and one solid body. Okay, now we are going into the features and into the ribbon section, and we are gonna select the intersect tool. Okay, and now we need to select what are the items we want to intersect. So first I would like to select the solid body, and then I would select to the surface, and then here into the intersection option I'm gonna go, and then you can see like it is gonna share us all the regions which are intersect. Suppose if you want to hide one or more regions, you can just select it. Like as I want to hide the below surface, you can just select this and it's gonna be hide. And then if you want to hide the upper region, then still you can see we would have our solid body like this. And then I'm just gonna uncheck this as well, and then I need to click the green check mark. Okay, so it looks totally identical. So what we can do is we can go into the surfaces and in bodies. As you can see, we still have one body and we still have one surface. So the thing is, like, there is by default some setting in SolidWorks, we need to uncheck that. So let's go into the intersect. I can show you and edit feature. And here down you can see there is an option which is merge results. So automatically this is checked, but if we are gonna intersect, then why we need to merge them? But this is by default, it is gonna be checked. So you need to uncheck this and then click the green check mark. And after that you can see you have two bodies now. The first one below part, and this is the top part, and you have this surface. So now if you want to hide the surface, you can just hide it. And if you want to hide the upper part, you can hide, or if you want to hide the below part, you can hide. If you want to have all surfaces or all bodies visible, so it's up to you. So in this way, by using a surface, we just intersect the solid body and we just slice it into different parts. So let's show the surface again, and we can go back into the intersect tool and we can select multiple things. So I'm gonna go back into the intersect and edit features, and then here where I have to select multiple bodies, so we can select, maybe we can select different planes. Like let's select is the front plane as well, and let's select the right plane as well. And then we can go into the intersect, and then you can see now we have a multiple option. As you can see, it is sliced with this front plane and right plane as well. Maybe we have like 4 times the region than before, so we can hide and we can show any region whatever we want. So suppose I want to hide this region, so I can just select this. So it's up to us, and still you need to check like if it is gonna be merged or not. You need to always uncheck this, and then we need to click the green check mark. Okay, so in this way, like if I want to hide the surface, so still I can hide. And look, I have this much slices into my solid body just by using a single first surface, and even in this time I use some planes as well. And now I can hide or I can show whatever the intersect I want. Suppose I want to hide this one. Okay, in that way I can use my intersect tool and I can slice my solid body into multiple regions. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, then don't forget to check the course link in the description. Thank you. Sorry for distraction, but if you think my videos are helpful for you, or if you are a serious SolidWorks learner, I am gonna highly recommend you can go into the description of this video where you can find my course link, in which I have over 10 hours of videos in which I explain each and every command in a detailed way. Thank you.